Series converters can be used to replace the lower section converters in Magnetek, Parallax and WFCO power centers. Package weight: 4.377 kilograms. Package dimensions: 16.256 L by 34.797 H x 21.336 W centimeters. Product type: auto accessory. Intelli-Power 4600 series lower section replacement, upgrade converters for RV power systems are as close as you can get to a universal replacement. The 4600 series converters can be used to replace the lower section converters in Magnetek, Parallax and WFCO power centers. They are made in America and have the same impressive quality, performance, reliability and multi-patented features, including the incredible charge wizard built in. The Intelli-Power 4600 series converters are what you need for reliable 12-volt power. Size: 13.375 W by 8.125 D by 5.875 H, 35 amp converter. Top reviews from the United States. Quality product. Had very good reviews. It was very easy to install with the instructions that are provided. Looking at reviews that were submitted on different brand converters, this company seems to be the only one with all positive reviews. 2 years warranty they provide says a lot.